the governor remains the governor of the state. No matter what anybody wants to do or say or believe, the governor is the governor of the state. He remains the governor of Rivers State. Adeboye is a senior clergy in Nigeria. For him to visit the governor, it means that the governor of the state is important in whatever thing that is going on in this country. Then for the NWC, National Working Committee of the party, to visit the governor, that reinforces our earlier position that the governor is the leader of the party, and he remains the leader of the party at the state. You see, Anyanwu is a very shameless politician. You were the national secretary. You contested the election for the governorship of Imo State. By the mere fact that you participated in that election, what it means is that you have ceased to be the secretary of the party, whether he resigns or not. But for the mere fact that he participated, he took part in the governorship race in Imo State. Fly PDP flag. It means he ceases from that moment to function as secretary of the party. For him to return now after losing the ticket, after losing the election, to insist that he's the secretary of the party, he's dancing naked in the public. He's actually dancing naked. He's shameless. The Court of Appeal has spoken. He's no longer the secretary. It's only a matter of time. He said he has appealed. Let's wait if the Supreme Court will bring him back. I'm not sure the Supreme Court will bring him back. It's only causing further pain to the party at the national level. Anyanwu is not doing anything other than playing the script of Wike, the script that they have to kill the party because they are benefiting from the APC. The party cannot die in their hands. They were not the ones that formed the party. They benefited from the party. So they can't kill the party won't die. The party PDP must survive beyond Anyanwu and Wike. The court has spoken. The court said Aaron Chukwuemeka and others are not members of the State Executive Committee of the party, even those elected at the LGA and what level, that they are not there. As far as the court was concerned, it was a nullity. The whole exercise was a nullity. So they are not members of the State ESCO, not even LGA, not even Ward. So what the National Committee of the party, National Working Committee of the party has done was to accept that judgment. They have accepted that judgment. It's not for them to choose between which and which. The court said these people are not the ESCO. They have accepted the judgment, and they have affirmed my leadership. As far as the NWC is concerned, I remain the party chairman at the state level.
What plan do you have for the PDP in the state that will make the departure from the past?
You see, they have so injured this party in this state. The FCT minister, Aaron Chukwuemeka, Martin Amaewhule, and co., they have so injured the PDP. They have caused so much pains to members of PDP in this state. My first target as the chairman of the party is to heal the wound first. The wound they have inflicted on the party. We have to heal the wound. We have to hold widespread consultation to make sure that we unite members. We have to restore hope. The hope that members have lost in the party, we have to restore it. We have to ensure that we embark on membership drive. Because politics, party is about election. In a short while, we'll be preparing for 2027 election. We have to embark on membership drive. So all these are plans we will carry out in the next few days. We will also announce a disciplinary committee in no distant time, because all those that have contributed to the pains in PDP will have to look at their cases. They have been involved in anti-party activity. They have been involved in action that have brought the party to disrepute. We have to put up a disciplinary committee to look at the cases of members that have got involved in anti-party activity. Those whose cases are extreme, we will expel them from the party. Those that require suspension, we will suspend them. Those whose cases are minimal, we will leave them in the party. The most important thing is that we have to heal the wound. We have to heal the injury. We have to restore hope to the party.
Recently, the FCT minister gave his first media chat. How do you find that chat generally?
Well, when I watched the FCT minister in that chat, what did I see? He was complaining about judges. He was complaining particularly to judges, Aproku and Jumbo. He complained about the intervention of the president on the rivers crisis. You see, first and foremost, he's no longer the governor of the state. He cannot dictate the pace. He cannot say what happens here. We already have a new sheriff in town. We have a governor here who will dictate the pace here. They went to Abuja and came back. The governor has started implementation of the proclamation by the president. It's not automatic. It's not something that will be done in one day. But they are not patient enough. They are not patient. And they cannot force the governor to do things that are not necessarily important. The governor was taking the implementation gradually. But they altered it. They altered it. So what did they expect the governor to do? So for him to complain about judges, what is he doing with the judges in Abuja? Judges like Omotosho, Justice Lifu, Justice Abdul Malik. What is he doing with them? Governor Fubara didn't break any of those agreements. Like I said earlier, it's a process. The governor started implementation, but they were not patient enough. They were not patient with the governor. It's not automatic that you come today, you implement all. There are more than 8 items in the peace accord. The governor started implementation, but they were not patient. Yes, so we can code. They were not patient. Withdraw the matters in the court. They didn't withdraw. Fubara withdrew all. So it's not about Fubara disobeying the president or not. It's about Wike and Co not being patient enough for the implementation of the peace accord.
No, the FCT minister has nobody can sack him from the PDP. Do you agree with him?
I don't agree with him. Because I have said it in different fora and I'm still saying it. That if he's powerful, so popular, that he should go and register a political party. Patriotic Nigerians registered PDP. If you go to the list of founding fathers of the party, his name is not there now. Was he a member of the founding fathers? We will suspend him. By the time we set up the disciplinary committee, the disciplinary committee will look at his case. If he requires expulsion, we will expel him from the party. If he requires suspension, we will suspend him. If he doesn't have a case, we'll leave him in the party. But we must take action against him. Action must be taken against him. The thing that is happening, what Nyesom and Co are doing is mere distraction. I kept saying it's mere distraction. Even in our private and public life, people distract us. But we must remain focused. What they are doing doesn't affect governance in the state. The state is running. The governor is implementing the mandate given to him. The governor is delivering on infrastructure. The governor is delivering on security. The governor is taking care of pensioners. Is engaging, is employing people. He has promoted civil servants. There is massive investment in infrastructure. So we are not stranded in the state. The state is moving on well. The governor is implementing. It's working for the state. So what they are doing is distraction, mere distraction. At the appropriate time, it will stop too. By 2027, Nyesom, the FCT minister, will have no political platform. Because one, he has lost PDP. He has also lost APC. And beyond this, it's a question of trust. Can the PDP trust him? The answer is no. Can the APC trust him? The answer is no. The challenge is he, not we. We have taken over our party, we have taken our party, and we are holding on to our party. Those APC, they are holding on to their party. Yes, so Wike, whose one leg is here, cannot be trusted by anybody. No political party will trust him. No political party. By 2027, Wike will have no political platform, no party to ride on.